here at Watercolors. We've just been here just 2 months now. We've already gotten started on our $1.5 million budget. We've got smart locks and smart thermostats up, carports going up, and getting ready for our garages and storage units. Really excited to get this one kicked off. We're getting a great head start, really active here. Excited for you guys to come take a look. We're adding 376 smart thermostats and smart locks to all units. We're going to be able to achieve about a $75 rent increase with that premium feature. So part of the renovation plan here was to add carports, which we've already gotten on site. They're going to cost about $12,500 per spot, and we're going to add 102 spots available for A-class residents. They are going to have reserved parking and covered parking here. So we're able to charge an extra $50 a month for the residents that want that service. Behind me, we're adding garages and storage units. 18 garages and 22 storage units. For the garages, we're going to get about $100 extra per garage per month, and for the storage units, anywhere from $50 to $100 per storage unit per month. All in, it's going to cost us just over $400,000. Going to add a nice feature for the residents, and again, boosting the NOI here.